Hello, I'm back again with same story but English version. Name of the story is A Thief's Story. Writer Ruskin Bond. English version Standard 10th. Story has only two characters. Number 1, just a 15 years old child. Number 2, Anil. I'm not going to disclose more about the characters because they have to flow with the story, right? Very good. Story begins with 15 years child. I'm saying that as a 15 years child, but that child is very sharp in something. Yes, he has an expert hand. In what? Yes, he used to steal the things. He was a thief. He was an expert thief. Yeah. Even though you don't trust, still he was a thief. Just a 15 years child. Almost of your age. But he was a thief. Now, Anil was watching one wrestler's match. This 15 years child went over there. He also started watching. But a child is very brilliant. He decided that this person is better to work with. If I work with him, I can try my hand over there. चोरी कर सकता हूँ. Okay, then he asked Anil about it. Sir, I want to work for you. Can I? Anil is tall, young man, just 25 years old. He said, but I cannot pay you. And the child said, okay, but you can feed me now. See how brilliant that child is. At any cost, he want to work under him. Anil said, yeah, I can feed you. Breakfast, lunch, dinner is not a problem. But you must be able to cook. Can you cook? Anil asked. Now the child is so confident. He said, yes, I can cook. Actually, he cannot cook at all. But he lied. झूठ बोला था. So he was a good liar also. Not a lawyer. He was good liar. Now Anil asked him his name. What's your name, beta? I'm Hari Singh, sir. Oh, one more lie. Actually, his name was not Hari Singh. Every month he has a habit of changing his name so that he can do his work and went away. See, this is a story when Aadhaar card, PAN card, nothing was there. So it was very easy to change the name at that time. So it was very easy for this so-called Hari Singh or child to do whatever he want. मतलब हाथ मारना उसको आसान होता था. Now Anil agreed. Anil and that child now went to Anil's house. Now Anil's house was located just above one sweet shop. It was just one floor building where Anil used to stay. House was small, but it had a good balcony. Anil told, you can stay here. So everything was arranged in his balcony. That is his clothes, his bag, his all the belongings. Everything was arranged in the balcony because balcony was huge enough, spacious. Now, one interesting thing about that balcony is it had a direct moonlight. So, through this moonlight, that child used to do his work. Now, It was the first day. So Anil told him to cook something for him. As we know, that child could not cook at all, but still he lied. Yes, I can cook. So that day he prepared something. Surely Anil did not like that because it was tasteless. Rather, it was horrible. Because Anil went down and gave that food to street dogs. Thank God, at least dog ate that. But really the food was horrible. But Anil didn't utter a word. He was a kind gentleman. Now who was this Anil? What was his occupation? He was a writer. He used to write some stories in magazines, in small newspapers, like that. And he did not have much money in his hand. That's why it was not possible for him to pay regularly, no? But the one habit was a bad habit. I'm talking about Anil. Whatever he earned, he had a habit to go out and spend with friends. So in short, he did not have separate savings also. So this was one more problem. Now slowly, the child started spreading his legs. Now he got a trust of Anil also. So Anil gave him keys of the door. Anil was a thoroughly gentleman. He was kind also. And he understood that this child doesn't know how to read and write. So Anil started teaching him some lines, some writing, some lines. Daily they had that routine. The child was brilliant, but of course he was a thief. He has to be brilliant. दिमाग है इसलिए चोरी कर सकता था ना. Otherwise it was not possible. और वो भी every month he used to change the place. Every month new robbery. Now I'm continuing the story. कि 1 month was over. Daily Anil used to send him for some grocery shopping or something. In that also, this child tried his hand. Means what? Suppose the bill amount is 58. He used to say no, it's 60. It means 60 minus 58. That is 2 rupees was in his pocket. It was a profit for him. Like this, he daily collected some amount. Anil must be knowing that, but he neglected that part. Now days passed. Almost 1 month was over. One day, this Anil returned. He was very happy that day. When he came, he took out some bundle of currency notes from the pocket. He counted them. Boy was watching everything. He saw that bundle of notes. He had a sharp eyes. He saw that. Then what Anil did? Anil tucked his notes under the mattress. Boy saw that also. Now this boy's brain started working. If I take out that money and I can go or run away, I can enjoy at least for a month. Next month में देखेंगे. This was his plan. He started planning everything and he was waiting for Anil to sleep. After dinner, Anil slept. Hari Singh was waiting. It was night, some 11 or 11:30. Hari Singh came crawling and came near to the bed. He took out that bundle of notes slowly. His second eye was on Mr. Anil. Just confirmed whether Anil was sleeping or not. Yes, Anil was sleeping. He took out that money and suddenly kept in a pocket. And on the spot, he went away. He had keys with him, huh? He went away with his luggage. He literally started running on the road. Because his plan was he wanted to catch that Lucknow Express. The timing of Lucknow Express is generally 11:30. It is same timing. When he reached at the platform, he saw that Lucknow Express. It was approaching, just approaching. It was very easy for this Hari Singh to get into the train because he had no plan of taking tickets or something. He had never purchased a ticket. Without ticket सब जगह जाता था. चोर था इसलिए. So he wanted to go inside the train. But something stopped him. He could not enter. Now Lucknow Express stopped and went away. The platform was literally deserted now. Nobody was there on the platform. Only Hari Singh was there. A child was there inside on the platform. The child started walking. He crossed that platform, went on the road. Slowly, he came to one Maidan, that is ground. He was thinking, where should I go? I don't know anyone in this city. Shall I go to Anil again? No, I have taken money from him. I actually robbed the money. Not robbed, stolen. I have stolen the money. How can I go again? No. Then he came and sat on the desk. Above there was a big clock. He looked at the clock. It struck 12 o'clock. He was thinking, Anil is a nice man. Na? He has done so many things for me. He taught me many sentences. Then he used to give some money for cinema also. He was thinking about that. Suddenly it started raining. His clothes got wet everywhere. Everything was wet now. But his mind was somewhere else. Yes, his mind was somewhere else. He was thinking about Anil. He suddenly got up, took his bag and started walking towards the direction of Anil's house. Yes, he wanted to go back. Slowly he came. Rain was still there. It was still raining there. He suddenly reminded about that money. He took out the money, counted. Oh my God, it was 600 rupees. Fairly enough for 15 days for him. But no, now his plan was changed. He was about to return that money to Anil. He looked at the notes. All were wet because of rain. But still he went inside and tucked these notes again back to the original place. That is under the mattresses. He kept it and went into the balcony again and started sleeping. On the next day, in the morning, when he got up, he saw that Anil has prepared a breakfast. Anil has prepared tea, not only for him also. When I went to Anil to talk something, Anil removed 50 rupees notes from the pocket and gave it to me. Me means gave it to that child and told, see, now I have started earning something. Yesterday I had a good money. Now I can regularly pay you. Boy was happy. Oh, now I'll get money regularly. He took out the notes. Oh, it was weight. The note was weight. Yes, Anil sir must be knowing everything. he kept that note inside the pocket. He was thinking, Anil sir knows everything, but he has not uttered any word. Now Anil told that chalo chalo, jaldi chalo, notebook le lo, we'll start studying. Yes, they started studying now. See how kind Anil sir is. He knew everything, but he did not utter a single word about that. When sir was teaching, Anil sir was teaching him, he decided that I will definitely win the trust and confidence of sir. I will never cheat him. I will study more. I give up this habit and I will be the best man who will be working for Anil sir. The story ends with this. I hope you liked the story. Yes? Very good. Like me, subscribe me, and share me
Mama's
with
mask up.
mask up. Yes.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Good night.
Bye.